Myself, Suresh Kumar Karnam, partner with Arihant Rajesh, who is the main person of Occult King, based out of Hyderabad. I am taking care of the Karnataka region, and we do Vastu for temples also at the same time. And we have done, the temple Vastu for Shankar Seva Samiti, which is part of the, Shankar, Adi Shankaracharya's reign. And then we have done the temple Vastu due to energize the temple premises. And at the same time, initially there was a lot of negativity. Negativity in the sense we actually checked the strength, the vibes of this temple. Initially they were facing a lot of problems, and the entrance was in a negative entrance. So we made it converted to positive, and then we changed certain the movement of the devatas from one location to another location, so that the energies will increase. Okay, so that being the case, now this temple has got energized, and it is doing well. Initially it was not that very doing well. Now it has improved. Okay, actually
Even gods also should be in that direction also, and it should be placed in.
yeah, it has to be placed in certain directions where the gods have to be placed. There is a place that a particular god has to be there.
Okay.
Okay.
Entrance also it will impact.
Entrance also will impact. Entrance also will impact the sense, if at all, if there is this is a road hit.
Okay.
It's a road hit. Southeast is a road hit to the temple.
Okay.
So when it comes to the road hit, and then we have direct, the road hits to the god.
Okay.
So when it hits to the god, there is a certain amount of negativity.
Okay.
So that shouldn't happen.
Okay.
When we do that, then we virtually close the entrance. Virtually we close the entrance, and at the same time energize the place. So once when we energize the place with our remedies, the Vastu remedies, which Arihant Rajesh has done it, and myself was coordinating with him, and along with Gopal Krishna and Jairaj. Okay, all the four of us have done it, and accordingly the energy level has gone up into this temple.
Okay. How virtually you have been closed this entrance?
So we have used certain metals, certain the minerals and salts, and at the same time certain we call it as dravya in Kannada.
Okay.
Those are all the ingredients which we have used, and we have used rudraksha, and then we used some crystals to close the entrance.
Okay,
So
this is the main entrance now.
Yeah, this was the main entrance initially, which has been virtually closed now.
Okay.
So virtually closed. Yeah, and then we have energized the place so that the negative entrance has converted to a positive entrance.
Okay.
Okay. So now we can see the energies in this particular entrance. So the energy level has gone up.
Okay.
Like anything, like the. With this we can make out that the energy level has gone up since it is turning right.
Okay.
In the right direction.
Okay.
And then it is showing more energy into this temple. Initially this was not the case.
Okay. Initially there is no energy. Yeah.
Energy was there, but not that very good.
Okay.
It was less.
Okay.
It was negative energy.
Negative energy.
Yes.
It will turn opposite direction.
It will turn in opposite direction. It will turn in anti-clockwise.
Okay.
This actually now it is turning in clockwise. So then later on it will turn to anti-clockwise if the energy levels are low.
Okay.
So that is how we find out the energy levels. We even use a scanner, aura scanners to check the energy levels into the temple.
Okay.
And then accordingly we do it. There is an energy for each and every place.
Okay. That energy will be shared to the people, so that's why visit
that is because of some sort of changes in the surroundings. Maybe they would have dug some place or something like that. The geo-energies would have flown that side, and the positivity would have gone that side, and the negativity would have stayed back here.
Okay.
So to convert that negativity, we need to energize the place.
Okay.
So when we want to energize the place, we need to use some remedies.
Okay.
So when you use those remedies, accordingly the energy levels will go up.
Okay.
So that the energy, whatever has gone, will again brought back to the place, and then the place will actually build up its the old fame, and then it will become
Okay.
wise or a good place for worship or something like that.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be a different place.
Okay. If there is no energy, there is no use of worshipping there.
There is no use of worshipping, and at the same time, the god or goddess, whoever is there, whoever is the deity of this place,
Okay.
will also the energy level will come down to that particular deity.
Okay.
That is also there.
Sir, what are the changes you have been done to this temple? Please explain that.
Yeah. The first of all, as I told you, the energy have been enhanced into this entrance. Especially, we have put in some crystals and then salt, then Rudraksha, and the rods have been put from one end to another end. The whole thing has been covered, and then the place has been energized.
Okay.
So
entrance has been energized.
Entrance has been energized from negative to positive.
Okay.
So then, when we go into the temple, we had a problem with the part of the hall. The whole thing was a big hall. Okay. It was a big hall. So now what we have done is we have separated this portion of the hall with a strip. We have put a metal strip inside this, the brass metal strip to this temple. The temple has been separated from the hall, wherein it is being used for utility. So the energy level, energy has to be distributed. It was the whole place was energized. Single hall. It was a single unit. Okay. So we had to separate the temple from the utility area. So the utility area was separated with a metal strip on the floor, which extends from the entrance and then till the temple. So the temple has been separated. Okay. The temple has been separated, and the utility area, and then the rest of the places is all separated. Okay. And this
kitchen and this utility and the temple both are in single
it
area.
was in a single floor. Single floor. And a signal, it converts like a barrier. Now this strip converts as a barrier.
Okay.
And it separates the
Energy
virtually, the energies of that, the place of worship will be different from the utility area.
Okay.
So both the places, the energy has been enhanced. Okay. Enhanced. And there was one door which was closed for a very long time. And it was not used at all. Door open. Open ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. So initially this door, when it was closed, it was actually showing negative. Okay. So when we opened the door, it started showing positivity. So this is the main entrance. This should have been the main entrance. Okay. But they had opened that entrance for their convenience and the temple convenience. Okay. Which was actually negative. Okay. Because it was a road hit, and then there was a lot of negativity in that place. Okay. So that was a negative entrance. Once when this whole thing was built up, this entrance can be utilized, and this entrance can be used as a main entrance. Okay. That also can be there, and at the same time this can be used. Okay. With all removal of all this, the debris and other things. Yes. After completion. Okay. So there is one Navagraha over here. Okay. This is also has been energized, which is in the right place, northeast. Okay. The right place, and then this is energized. Okay.
Oh, Navagraha.
Navagraha.
Okay.
No, what we have done is this temple was like there was a lot of, as I told you, there was a lot of negativity and all this. The progress was not there. And then not much of the people or the bhaktadis used to come to the temple. So there was a lot of the mismatch between the regular the normal functioning of the temple.
Okay.
So after we energized this temple, there are a lot of people who have started flocking to the temple,
Okay.
and at the same time, there are a lot of bhaktadis are coming, and then there is some sort of a trust being built with the temple. The god, the people in the temple, and the people who are coming to the temple as a bhaktadis.
Okay.
Now, this Kodi Basavana was also not it was there, but only thing is it was not being kept in a proper condition, and at the same time there was some sort of a negativity over there. So we did some sort of the remedies at the back of the temple, so that that flow of the energy will be within the Kodi Basavana temple, and then it gets energized. But that is a naturally Basavana which has moved along with the stream, and then it has come and got installed, stood over here, and then that there they have built a temple over there.
Okay.
Then we can see some sort of negative remedies being put. See, there is an issue with this extension of this place. What we have done is we have put some remedies in this place, and then got it blocked at this place.
Okay.
There is a remedy which has been put here, and then so that the Kodi Basavana also get energized.
Okay.
So the energy was going out.
Okay.
In fact, that is also one of the reasons.
Okay.
So we have,
by putting this, energy will be blocked.
it's blocked.
Okay.
Blocked.
It will not go out.
It will not go out.
Okay. By this, whoever come to this temple worshipping, the energy will be shared to them only.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That is the use of this blocking.
Yes.
Okay.
This is where we have blocked the place.
Okay. What are the same things like?
We have put the plates, and then we have put the rods, and then we actually put L rod here, and then block the thing. That actually blocks the energy.
Energy.
Yes.
Okay. For that, we'll use some chakras and those things.
Yes.
Everything will be there.
All those
Okay.
crystals, chakra, and then we have used the rod,
Okay.
plates, copper plates.
Okay.
To block
As
the
per
energy.
the ancient, what is
As
called?
per the requirement and as per the remedial measures.
Okay.
We
Yes,
need to put
sir.
the remedials as per that measure. We can't put more and then we can't put less at the same
Okay.
time. We check with our scanners, and then accordingly the energies will be blocked.
Okay. How much energy required? That energy will give to the.
The good energies are being blocked, and then the place will get energized.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And at the same time, we have done some sort of remedy over in this hall, because there was also energy which was flowing out. So we have put some plate and then chakras in this place,
Okay.
so that the energies will get blocked at this in this hall.
Okay.
And then the whole entrances, the whole place is energized.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is left side. This back side.
Southwest.
Everything has been blocked.
Blocked. The entrance is southeast.
Okay.
Actually, initially, when the temple trustees have decided to put the Navagrahas, they had installed the Navagrahas over here in this place, which was Nagadevata. Sorry, Nagadevatas stones were kept here, and then which was not the right place for Nagadevatas to be here in this place, because no doubt it is the people tree, and then there is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara is in this tree, and then Nagadevata is not a problem. But only thing is, it should have been in the entrance.
Okay.
So the Nagadevata was moved from here to the main entrance, wherein the energy of the Nagadevata will get enhanced.
Okay.
Because the place you see now, it is in the corner,
Okay.
the northwest. It should have been northeast.
Okay. The direction also important.
Direction also matters.
Okay.
Direction matters, and then the place of the placement of the Nagadevatas also matters.
Okay.
And the place where it's a place for utility. Just behind
Yeah.
it is a utility, and that is and it is it's an extreme end,
Okay.
wherein it is not been the presence is not known.
Okay.
Nagadevata's presence is not known.
Okay.
So we moved it to the northeast,
Right.
just by side of the Navagraha temple.
Okay.
So Nagadevata has been installed there, and then now the puja is going on.
Okay.
After we have told them to move the Nagadevata from here to that place.
Okay.
They have checked where positive energy is available.
Okay.
They checked with that, the pendulum.
Pendulum.
So it is shown there.
Now
Hmm.
So
there is no energy at all.
Hmm. In this place, there is no energy at all. That's why.
You can see it is a dead place. Like
Okay.
there is no energy. Hence, because the Nagadevatas were moved out from here to that particular location. I can show the energies there.
They have not yet positive energy.
Okay.
We have one remedy page over here, which was enters into this place to energize the place. So the whole area has been energized. The whole area has been energized, and then there is a lot of energy into this place, which has got enhanced, and which goes beyond the times, like takes time to pick up the energy. So once when it picks up, the whole thing will start rotating in a clockwise direction. So there the energies have got enhanced. Okay.
But here the
This
positive
is the place where we have installed the the Nagadevata and this is the remedies what we have given to them with all the remedies into it. So here in this place the energy level was very high on that particular day, on that when we have checked up. So it goes up very slowly and it has got a lot of energy in this place. This is the north southeast, which is towards northeast like. So energy level has gone up.
Okay.
And then this is the place where the Naga Devata has to be installed, which has been installed now. There is a lot of improvement in the temple, the functioning of the temple, and then the fund flow and all those things. At the
Okay.
same time, we have got it. The whole place is energized.
Okay. Now totally so many changes have been done for the Vastu of this temple. By this here energy has been blocked
Enhanced.
going out.
What was blocked, it has been enhanced, and then it has been the good energies have been blocked.
Okay.
Been blocked.
Okay. Yes, sir. We got so much information about Vastu. By this Vastu changes, here who are coming worshipping the god, they also get energized. Otherwise, there is no use of coming over the temple. Anywhere it's
To the temple premises, and at the
Okay.
same time, the people who actually visit the temple, the Bhaktadis, their energy level also goes up. This is the the result what they get basis their what do you say, their wishes are fulfilled. Wishes are fulfilled. So their blessings, their basis the blessings of the God,
Okay.
their wishes are fulfilled, and they get good results.
Okay.
And their life is they are happy.
Okay.
So they again and again start visiting the temple.
Okay.
So any devotee enter through this gate, no, they are getting positive energy because they have
Positive
some
vibes.
yantras.
Okay.
Positive vibes.
Anybody enter the temple, they are getting positive energy automatically.
Okay. Maybe visiting the temple, sir. That's why they
To
need
get
a peace of mind and
peace of mind,
energy.
and then blessing of God.
They have the blessing
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
God.
Okay.
So already getting,
Yeah.
then they have put some yantras and everything.
Yeah.
Everything we are, even you are getting here also. Even after this gate also,
Yeah.
50 meters also you can getting positive
Yeah,
energy.
positive
Not only
energy.
here.
Okay.
It is up to 50 meters
Yeah.
yearly.
Yes,
Okay.
almost.
Outside of
almost.
the gate also,
Okay.
50 meters, you are getting positive energy.
Okay. Before 60 years back, how this temple has been built, nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
That's why now it has been energized. Before that, energy level was
The
changed.
energy level was actually good during those times. In
Okay.
between, there was some sort of a changes due to the movement of the geo lines and all those things. So
Okay.
when the geo lines moves out of this place, the energy also shifts.
Okay.
Energy shifts actually. The energy level shifts, and then there are a lot of bad vibes which are getting into the building.
Okay.
So that has to be blocked and then brought back into this building.
Okay.
So that being the case, that the vibes have been regenerated and then directed to this particular place.
Yes, sir.
So a lot of materials, including all yantras, gold, silver, everything is got. Rudraksha, some crystals, everything nearly it cost around 1 lakh rupees.
Okay.
So he has donated freely. They have not taken even single one paisa.
Okay.
There's Occult King Rajesh, Arihant Rajesh has done this
He come from Hyderabad.
fabulous job. He came all the way from Hyderabad to do this temple Vastu.
Okay, it's totally service thing.
Yes,
service
he's
event,
done a
he has done
service,
lot of-
and we are also doing the service, same thing.
So
We have not taken even a single piece.
Okay.
Pie to this, the
They have
service
not
what you are
taken any
rendered.
even one paisa.
Okay.
They have-
With our own interest, we have done this
they have done the
service.
temple to this. So they have some donated some contribution to the Annadanam also.
Okay.
Rajesh.
Come from Hyderabad.
Rajesh.
Okay.
Just come from Hyderabad. So he had to donate some Annadanam also
Okay.
to the temple. So,
Finally, any temple we visit, that should be energized.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the thing. Yes, sir. Okay. We got so much information, sir. We will discuss a few things in the next future days regarding these vastus and where gods to be there. Is that temple having the energies or not? We will discuss those things in future days, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.